Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure conversion rates with Unbounce, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure conversion rates with Unbounce, start by creating a strong landing page. Select a specific goal for your landing page, such as lead generation or sales. Research your target audience to understand their preferences and needs. Once you know your audience, log into your Unbounce account. Click on Create New Landing Page to start your project. Choose a template that aligns with your campaign's objective. Customize the template by adding your branding elements like logos and colors. Incorporate persuasive copy that speaks directly to your audience's pain points. Use attention-grabbing headlines to capture the visitor's interest. Include relevant images or videos that enhance your message. Add a clear and compelling call to action, or CTA. Position the CTA prominently on the page to encourage clicks. Optimize your landing page layout for mobile devices to reach a broader audience. Integrate forms to collect visitor information easily. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of your landing page. Analyze performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Make adjustments based on the data gathered from your tests. Utilize Unbounce integration features to connect with your email marketing tools. Consider adding social proof, such as testimonials or reviews. Monitor your page's loading speed to prevent potential drop-offs. Once your page is live, drive targeted traffic through marketing campaigns. Evaluate conversion rates regularly to measure the effectiveness of your strategies. Stay agile, adapting your approach based on ongoing performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.